This is the swing ring, which is allowing rotations. The counterweight is then placed on the back side and the front side accordingly with the help of cables which are mounted to the top. The boom is supported. So this is how, with the help of these wagons on site, you can supply each and every part separately. And again, boom, as I told you, for the fixed towers, uh, boom also is not a single part. Again, it is coming into parts. Those have to be installed on site itself, depending upon how bigger is the site. Okay, what are the dimensions of the site, where exactly the tower crane is placed, how much the boom has to be extended, how much length is desired. Depending upon that, the elements are fixed to each other and the length of boom is decided. This is your next part of tower crane, that is the operator's cabin. Operator's cabin के अंदर you could see this person, which is crane operator, who is crane operator. Okay, he is having certain foot pedals with the help of which he can control, as well as the joystick. He can lower down and he can orient the position. He can give the swings. He can rotate the entire boom as well as himself on the swing, and exactly where the material or machinery of the man are required, he can, with the help of these controls, make those man and material reach over those points. Yeah, so this is a very important thing. You have to make a note of this thing. Load carried by the boom. How much load can be carried by the boom? Distance from the mast, जो टावर क्रेन है आपका, उससे कितने डिस्टेंस पे कितना कैपेसिटी होती है एक पर्टिकुलर बूम की लोड कैरी करने की. ओके, यू कुड सी कि जैसे जैसे डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज होते जा रहा है, लोड कैरिंग कैपेसिटी जो कम होती जा रही है, जस्ट बिकॉज if the higher loads on greater lengths are put, then there are possibilities of boom to lose its connections, its fixtures, and fail. And if the boom fails, your entire tower crane fails. Okay, so uh, the least distance that you can provide in a tower crane is 10 meter, and in 10 meter, the load carrying capacity goes maximum up to your 6 metric tons. It has to be seen that this ultimate load level or maximum load level is not reached. Wait a moment. Yeah, so that the tower crane stays tower crane as well as the boom, it stays safe. Next is up to 20 meter, it can go for 4 metric tons of load, for 30 up to 3, for 40 up to only 2 metric tons. Okay, beyond that, now what happens if you have to supply material beyond that? There are then two solutions. One is you could shift the position of the tower crane, or else if that tower crane has to be kept constant for other operations, then you have to install another tower crane, because this becomes the limit for the boom. Okay, 40 मीटर का रेडियस में वो काम कर सकता है, that is 80 मीटर of diameter. Okay, so that is for the tower crane. Again, आप अच्छा, इसके ऑल्टरनेटिव्स ये भी हो सकते हैं कि अगर आपको दूसरा टावर क्रेन इंस्टॉल नहीं करना है, तो हमारे पास मोबाइल या फिर पोर्टेबल क्रेन्स भी होते हैं. Again, you can make use of them, which we saw over here. Okay, mobile crane or telescopic crane. You can also make use of gantry crane. Gantry crane मतलब क्या? वो gantry beam जैसा होता है, gantry girder जैसा होता है. Again, उसके नीचे आपके ट्रैक्स होते हैं, वो ट्रैक्स के ऊपर आप माउंट करके रख सकते हो आपका जितना भी मटेरियल कैरी करना है, और उसको ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो एक से दूसरी जगह पे. लेकिन उसके अंदर ओरिएंटेशन उतना आसानी से नहीं हो पाता जितना आसानी से हमारे इसके अंदर हो जाता है. लाइक विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्विंग, जितने आसानी से हमारे टावर क्रेन में हो जाता है, उसमें थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, क्योंकि उसमें सारे ऑपरेशन जो है वो गर्डर बेस्ड है. इसमें सारे ऑपरेशन जो है वो स्विंग बेस्ड है. ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंग इज टावर क्रेन एट द साइट. Maximum unsupported height is going up to 43 meters. Okay, unsupported height मतलब हमने इसकी जो बात करी थी, that is your lifting tower और climbing tower यहाँ पे, that is your maximum